The VerRon 4-light linear chandelier combines a matte black frame with warm wood accents and clear glass shades, giving dining rooms and kitchen islands a refined farmhouse look that still feels modern. Its metal construction and treated finish feel sturdy and resistant to everyday wear, so the fixture looks and feels solid rather than delicate or flimsy. The included downrods let you adjust the hanging height to suit different ceiling heights and table sizes, and the design works on both flat and sloped ceilings. Because it uses standard E26 sockets and supports both incandescent and LED options, it is easy to customize brightness and color tone for anything from meal prep to relaxed evening dinners. When paired with compatible dimmable bulbs and a suitable wall dimmer, the chandelier transitions smoothly from bright task lighting to softer ambient glow. Installation is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic wiring, helped by organized packaging, clear instructions, and additional video guidance for visual learners.